Hey, hello guys. How are you doing? This is wonderful. Let's start the video with our motto. Winning is a choice and we choose to win always. So today we are going to see about strategy. This strategy, if you are watching my videos continuously, then you would have known how it is working. But I am in this video, I am going to explain how to find or refine to get trade setup with good trading edge. Okay, so today we know the market will be opening gap up. So how before market opening itself, we know it is a gap up, and we should have some plan about our trade, right? So that's what we are going to see. We are going to see how to plan and how to handle the live market when it is giving movement. So for that, I have taken three stocks. So first stock is Adani Ports. So today's gap up we are expecting. So here, if you are seeing, here the price is consolidating within a zone. Then it is a range. Okay, so when the price is trading within a range, then we can expect a breakout on the next day. So already we know the market will be opening gap up. So our idea is when the price is moving above this and 800, that is the high of the previous day is 799.7. So above 800, if the price is closing with strength, bullish strength, then we can buy. And where we can place the targets. And the target before fixing the target, you have to check the nearby resistance. So where is the nearby resistance? This we can say this level 818 or 822. So these are the resistance level from 818 to 822. You can expect resistance in this particular stock. So we are buying above 800 if the price is showing bullish strength, and we are closing our trade when the price is nearing 818 to 822. So you have already know the trade setup. That is the close above the 15 minutes. If it is above the previous day's high, and then we can go long. So this candle's volume is good compared to this and all. See the volume here. So this candle's volume is good, and see the candle. The candle is very strong bull candle. So we can go long without any hesitation here above it. So the buying point, as per our pre-plan, what is our pre-plan? It is above 800. We can go long after the candle close. After the candle is showing the bullish strength. So when I hear the candle close after the first 15 minutes is 804.6. So you can go long there, keeping the target as 818 or 822. So it came to 818 here itself. Within 30 minutes, it gave the target. But after that, it slowly moved and it made a high 825 also. So it depends on your risk tolerance. Some people will be buying, let's say, for example, if you are buying 1000 stocks here, once it is reaching 880, some people will be closing the 500 stocks, that is 1 by 2 stock here, and after that, they can trial moving the stop as the entry point. Here you have to keep your stop, and after that you have to trial, and you can close it around the 8 3:15 or 3 o'clock as per your convenience. So why this trade gave very good breakout is like the 2 days the price was in range, like it was unable to break above 800. So today, when it is the candle is a very strong bull candle with reasonable volume, it moved to the previous resistance here. So this is a very clear uh, setup. And yes, you have already watched my video like how to take entry. Once the price is first 15 minutes candle closes above the previous day's high, that is your entry point. Stop loss is this one, and you can trial for the target. 1:2 it will come. Otherwise, you have to trial after some time. When you are having resistance like this, here 1:2, if you are expecting means it is somewhat more risky because you are having the nearby resistance around 818 to 820. So in such cases, you have to act accordingly. It's not like a fixed rule like 1:2, it will come for sure. Okay, so I will take another stop. This is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank opened the gap up above previous day, but see the candle, it is a bear candle, and see the volume, it is not that much strong. So if the price fall also, the fall won't be that much big. And the since the first candle itself is showing people are booking that profit around this area, so it is highly risk if you are planning to go long. The first 15 minutes itself, they have started to book profit. So that day you should not go long as per our strategy because the close of the first 15 minutes candle is bearish. So no trade here. But see here and on when the prices are closing above the previous day here, then that day it moved up. And because why it happened is because it did not beat the previous low. Instead, it takes support here. Previous day's low support it took and it hit the previous day's high and went up. That is the reason. But as per our strategy, it did not give trade here also. But if you are very familiar with how the price is reacting, then this is a very good trade setup going long here. So the people whoever have bought here have the profit here. That's why the price did not have strength to move upside. So instead of blindly buying, you have to wait for 15 minutes candle close to consider or to decide what to do. So if you are having more experience, then you can go for lower time frame like 15, 5 minutes. 5 minutes if you are an experienced trader, you can take. So let's take another chart. This is Adani Net. So today is gap up opening. Um, Here, see, this is the one range and this is another range. The price is forming a range for 2 days, but it is closing it is closing high. You can say it is the close is higher, it is still bullish. See, it is not falling at all. But it is not having that much big move also. So here and all very less volume and also here and all very less volume, but it did not break the peak. This day's low also it did not break, and this day low also it did not break. So our plan as usual is like above 2870. If the price is closing with strength, then we can go long. So this is the candle. The candle volume is good. Compared to this consolidation volume and all, this volume is very nice. And also the candle is strong. So we can go long above 28 980. It is like a 22900. 2900. So above that we can go long, and it gave to 1:2 profit more than 1:2, like 86 points more it gave. The reason is it was consolidating for 2 days, and also it did not break the low of the particular day. Here also in this day's high, it broke next day again consolidated, but it did not break the day's low. Here also see the candle price did not break the low of this day movement also. So it implies the stock is very strong. It will move upside. So once you are seeing a bull candle with nice volume, The candle is also very strong, right? It's like there is no upper or lower width. It is a very strong bull candle with a nice volume, and also above the previous day's high. Closing is also above previous day high, so the entry is here and it moved around 80 to 85 points and gave a very nice movement. So this Adani net trade is very good. Compared to Adani ports, but this is somewhat a 2 days consolidation, same range, but we are having some nearby resistance here. That's why we are facing resistance around this area. But see here, we are not having any nearby resistance. See here, no nearby resistance. That's why the price movement was very fast because no nearby resistance for this price to stop or slow down or allow people to book profit. So the price moved smoothly and gave very good movement. So we have seen ICICI, then Adani Ports, Adani Net, Adani ENT, and let's see some other stock, Reliance. Okay, so Reliance here. We can say this is somewhat like consolidation. It went up and moved up and again consolidated. But see, today's candle is the first 15 minutes candle is bear candle and the volume is reasonable volume. But I didn't expect it will fall much. But also it won't move upside. Here it took support at the previous support range here. Took support like here the price consolidated and went up, right? So the same zone. Um, Here the same zone has acted as this support zone and it went up, bounced from here. So this is a very nice trade setup if you know like trend line, trend line and here. And this is breakout and it again is retesting the trend line and it is moving upside and the volume is very nice. So tomorrow I expect the lines will be having a gap up opening. So today's close is high is to 2660 you can say. So 2660 if it is sustaining and if it is bull candle with nice volume and then tomorrow also Reliance will be giving very nice move. But today it did not give move because the first candle is bear candle. Let's see how Nifty Bank Nifty does move. So this is a Nifty Bank Nifty candle, but see the gap up like a very big gap up, so unable to sustain. And you know very well we can't handle the index the same way like stocks because this type of gap up and this type of movement we can't. We won't be sure whether it will move up. Like, as I said the previous video, 39,500 it will be having resistance. So 39,500 it was unable to sustain. That's why the price fall down above this. The high today made is around 39,473. So unable to move above 39,500. So that's the reason why Bank Nifty fall down. But here and all it gave a very good moment like here it went up. And then here also it did not break previous day's low and it again went. So let's take Nifty. Nifty see even though it opened the gap up, the candle is a very strong bear candle. Big candle, strong bear candle, but it is having lower wick. Since it is having lower wick, it tried to move upside, but it was unable to um, show strength. Like it have to develop some bullish strength to move upside, but it is not at all. See here, a small candle. So it implies it is not gaining strength. That's why it is. unable to move up, and again it is falling. But this wick, lower wick is acting as a support, and again it is moving up. So tomorrow, if the price opened gap up or above this 17,900, we can expect the price to move towards 18,000. But if it is facing resistance around this level, then it will fall down towards here, or it will fall towards here, and then it will take support and move upside. So there are a few scenarios like opening gap up above this and move upside towards 18,000, or facing resistance around this zone and fall towards this level or this yellow orange level, and then taking support towards upside. Or another scenario, if it is very bearish, then it will fall down, breaking this yellow zone. But we never know what will happen. Only market will decide what will happen next. See, it's not like every day the moment will be good. See here, the same scenario like previous days high was broken and the candle is bullish candle, and the volume is reasonable volume, but the price did not move upside. And the reason is the previous day it was having a very trending day, right? So already previous day it was having a trending day. So the people who were bought here and all, they are booking profit when the price is reaching 800. 800 is a strong resistance zone psychologically. So people book profit around this level, and that's why price fall down. But when you are taking Adani Ports, Adani ENT and all, um, this is consolidation. Consolidation, that's why the bracket is big. But see the UPL, it is not at all consolidation. Previous day it was a trending day. And that's why the next day when it is not having strength to move upside, and also when the BSR coming to book profit, it was unable to sustain above 800 and it started to fall. But the starting is very good, like a very big bull candle. But the next candle itself, it is showing the bearish strength, like for longer per week, and the volume is also nice. So the price started to fall down nicely. So if it is tomorrow, it is somewhat like a triangle, right? So somewhat like a triangle. If it is falls below that, then you can expect 774. Like, but you have to split the profits because that 774 is a big level from 782, and also you can't expect stocks to move very well like the index and all. So depending on the stock, you have to split your profits and trial your profit. Hope you have understand what about this strategy, how to find a good trade setups, and how to use to get a better trading opportunity and to make money from it. Now, you can you always plan your trade, but you should have the flexibility to adapt to the live market trade setup. Then only you can make money in trading. If you are very good in a trading plan, and but you adapting the live market is not coming to you, like you find it difficult to me. It is like somewhat like you need more screen time, or you need more experience. So till you gain experience, you have to practice with small portion size. That's all for today. This is Vanati signing off. Remember, you can trade better than you think.